Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset your Walmart password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in walmart.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Walmart if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search, of course, for anything. So search for everything at Walmart online and in store. We have the departments, services, saving, groceries, Halloween, new and trending, and all of those things. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset your Walmart password. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically, when you go and sign in, you just need to go to the top right corner and click on your account, which is here. And then when you click on your account, you need to open the forgot password page or select forgot password from the login page. Select send code. Then check your email for a 6-digit code. Be sure to check your junk or spam folder. This code expires after 30 minutes. Then what you need to do is enter your 6-digit code and select continue. Enter a new password you've never used before. Your password, of course, must include a number and a uppercase. Then select create new password and sign in. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.